Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 3, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's find a hotspot toggle in our notification panel somewhere right here, and I can already see it. It's right over here. Once you find that, you want to hold the toggle, and this will take us to the settings where we can actually, customize the settings for it. So let's tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot, and from here we'll have all the settings that we can access. So let's start off with the hotspot password, which will probably be the most important part because without it you can't really connect to the hotspot. So I'm gonna completely remove this one because it's just some random gibberish and set my own. It's gonna be fairly easy. So as you can see, 1 through 8. It does need to have 8 characters in length. So once it does, you can tap on OK and it will be saved. Then we have also things like security. I would keep it as it is. Then we have hotspot name. This is just going to be the name of the Wi-Fi visible in the list. You can change it if you want to make it a little bit more simple. And also make it look a little bit better if you want to. There we go. And also right here we have the option for turn off automatically after 5 minutes. Now this refers to turning it off automatically when it's not being in use. So the moment hotspot is basically doesn't have anybody connected to it, it will wait 5 minutes and then automatically turn off, which is a really good option to have. Now if you don't want it, you could set it to never or also increase the time that it takes for it to turn off. So choose whichever one actually suits you. And also at the very bottom we have the AV band. So in here we have actually the nice option to having both of them. And if you're not sure what this is, it's basically a Wi-Fi range. So we have the 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Now the 5 gigahertz and 2.4 are completely different things. If you're thinking about, for instance, like the new phones with their capability of 5G mobile networking, even though this phone has it, this part completely doesn't actually mention this. It's strictly Wi-Fi based, not mobile. So as an example, if you select only 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, I can still connect to that Wi-Fi with older devices that never had 5G capability. It's, like I said, strictly for Wi-Fi. Now, that being said, still older devices, like way back older, will only support 2.4, but phones from like 5 years ago, I believe, will probably, flagships at least from 5 years ago, should support it. And basically nowadays majority of the devices do support it. So also if you're not sure if your device supports 5 gigahertz, you don't actually have to choose one. You can go with both of them. So if, for instance, your device is one of those that doesn't support the 5G Wi-Fi, it will then only have the option of 2.4, which in that case you will only have one option to connect to. So now once you choose one of those or both, you can basically leave this. It will get saved, and simply can tap on the toggle right here to turn it on, or also by going into your notification panel and turning it on from here. Now additionally, once you are actually connected, you can see a little bit of an icon right here. This kind of like a weird circle next to the Bluetooth. This is basically to signify that the hotspot is on. And you can also see it right here in blue. You can also toggle it off manually by tapping on it. Now when you turn on hotspot, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi, as you can see, because it is using your Wi-Fi as a way of basically broadcasting the Wi-Fi itself. So it basically takes your mobile network and sends it through Wi-Fi so other devices can connect to it. Okay, that being said, that is basically how you would use it and set it up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.